Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our DIRECTV account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your DIRECTV account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for DIRECTV. After searching for DIRECTV, you'll come up to this page, and over this page now what you can do is just tap on this login option. After tapping on the login option, it will take you to DIRECTV login page, and over here in the middle of the screen you can find this option which says DIRECTV login. So after tapping on that option, now it will take you to the sign in page of DIRECTV, and now what you can do is just enter your user ID. After entering your user ID, just tap on continue and then enter your password. And after entering the password, tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your DIRECTV account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password and then create a new one. After creating a new password, just come back to this page and just enter the new password that you have created, then tap on sign in. After doing that, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log in DIRECTV account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.